Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to do something a little different. I ordered this massive box of electronic stuff from eBay. I paid €10 for it and $14.99 postage. Yeah, I bid the €10. I never thought I would get this. It's electronic stuff. I think it's customers returns or something, so I don't know what's in this. It's like a miracle box. I wanted to share the experience with you when I open this to see what's inside. So I don't know what's inside. Okay guys, and now without any more waffle, let's get right into it. So let's open this up. A few Goldbeeren, Haribo, that's nice. So let's see what we've got. More packing material. What's this? Here it says cable missing. It's like an internet radio. Oh yeah. Oh, dual. So next is speakers. Yeah, I don't know if they are broken. What's in here? A suitcase record player. Okay. Let's take a quick look. Okay. Doesn't look used. Here's, it's broken, but yeah, no problem. I can glue this back on. Yeah, maybe this works. Nice. Something from Panasonic, compact stereo system. Here it says the case is broken. Yeah, it's just broken here. Okay. Nice. That looks okay. And there is one more item in here. Mobile disco sound machine, it says. So let's open this up. Okay. Pretty heavy. I can't see anything broken. Yeah, I think now let's try these things out and see what's what.